Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. It is 6:30 in the morning, and we, Derek and I, because Derek's here now. Hi! Today we are traveling to the Gili Islands, Gili MENO in specifically, that's the one. The trip to the islands by boat with Ikajaya will take us 1.5 hours. Approximately, at least that's what we're hoping, and then we will be on the beaches. So I'm so excited to get this travel day over with, and yeah, that's just how I'm feeling. So let's just get this day started. Derek's all about cinematic shots of snails this morning. Okay, so we are home sweet home for the next few days. Let's just let this adjust. You can see the beach behind me. I'm in my room, if you can believe it. I'm so excited to be here. I just love the island so much, so I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek around. So when you first come in, you take your shoes off and traditionally wash your feet. So that's what Derek is doing right now. To the left, we have a little hanging hammock situation with our table. These come down here, so you can sort of block this off from the wind or rain, or just to have some privacy. And then we have our seating area here, TV and mini bar. Come around in here, open up. This is our bathroom right here. From the bathroom, you come upstairs because this is a 2-level bungalow that we have. Sorry, it's a little bit dark here. And come through the doors, and this is our beautiful room. So excited. So we have a bed here, and then our bed looks out onto the, if we can open it up, ocean. And then that is Lombok over there, where on a clear day you can see Mount Ranjani. Not right now, but you can. So yeah, we are officially in relax mode. Oh, yes, just feels so good. You can't tell, but I got my feet up. Island vibes. Dining with a view. Okay, so I am back at the room now. We just went out to grab some food before things sort of quieted down and we weren't able to, find anything that was open because, it is a quiet island and you never really know. The boat today was a success. Obviously, we're here. It took us 1.5 hours from Bali to get to Gili Trawangan, and then it's 10 minutes from Trawangan to Meno. We booked with Ikajaya, so you stay on the same boat the entire time basically until you get off. This is actually our first time in Gili Meno. We've been to Trawangan and we've been to Gili Air, but this is our first time on this island, and I love it. It's so serene and so peaceful and so beautiful, and the spot that we have, obviously you guys saw it, is just like magic. So I'm excited to just like chill, relax, and enjoy the beach. We're gonna be doing a little bit more exploring for you guys in the next video. So we will be heading around the island to sort of show you guys around here, hopefully do some snorkeling, check out the marine life, and then we will also be doing a video where we do a little bit of island hopping with the local boats and all of that kind of stuff, so you can see how that works. So if you are interested in travel in Bali and Indonesia and the Gili Islands and all that fun stuff, hit that subscribe button, stick around, you won't regret it, and until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!